In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best small drone that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. UFO 4000 Stunt Drone. The UFO 4000 is a small drone that comes with fun red, white, and blue LED lights, making it a favorite toy drone pick for kids or adults who want to fly for fun. Capable of performing 360 degrees mini flips and packed with features for such a low price. The UFO 4000 is a great beginner option, especially if you're looking for one of the best small drones out there for learning how to do stunts and tricks. Its propeller guards help make it tough and durable, and its straightforward remote control with one-key start/stop and easy joystick directional controls help make it suitable for both kids and adults. Number 2. Scoot Mini Drone. Of all the models we chose for our list of the best small drones on the market, the Scoot Mini Drone is the only one that flies hands-free. Its ability to fly with advanced hands-free technology makes it a great drone for both kids and adults, since there are no remote control skills needed to fly. With an enclosed frame and infrared obstacle sensors, the Scoot Mini Drone is safe for use indoors and comes with a USB charging cord, making it easy to charge anywhere. Don't want to wait forever just to charge your drone? The Scoot Mini charges quickly and is ready to fly again within an hour. The Scoot Mini has a respectable battery life of 8 minutes, giving you time to practice tricks. Number 3. Cheerson CX-10 Mini. The Cheerson CX-10 Mini is incredibly easy to fly and is a great option on the list of best small drones. The Cheerson CX-10 Mini small size makes it a great option for indoor flying without the fear of crashing. It has 3 flight modes: beginner mode, intermediate mode, and advanced mode. If you're just starting out, using the Mini's beginner mode is a great way to get a feel for the controls before moving on to higher sensitivity modes. The ability to scale up the difficulty level on how you fly is definitely a contributing factor in why we chose the Cheerson Mini for our list of the best small drones on the market. Number 4. Force1U49WFPV Drone. With the U49WFPV camera drone, we've now left the toy drones behind and entered the second part of our list: small camera drones. The U49WF comes with some useful flight modes, which you usually don't see at this price point, making it a great value among the best small drones on the market. Some of these modes include altitude hold and headless mode. The U49WF also has an FPV screen with camera live video, so you can see exactly what the HD camera of your drone sees in real time. It comes with an extra battery to help you fly for even longer before having to charge, and a solid 720p camera for capturing clear HD still and video. Number 5. DJI Taiyo Quadcopter Drone. The DJI Taiyo is another great small camera drone, and it's one of the least expensive of the best small drones with a camera on this list. The idea behind the DJI Taiyo was to make an entry-level drone model that was easy to fly, durable and well-built to survive potential crashes, and which could also be fun for both kids and adults to fly. And it worked. With the ability to fly up to 17 miles per hour within a radius of 300 feet, the DJI Taiyo is just the type of drone you want to take outside and fly for fun. Also, at just 3 ounces, it's small enough that you don't have the FAA's requirements for drone registration don't apply to it when flown recreationally.